Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Know to Code. In today's video, we'll focus on Shell Navigation Task. Also, very soon I'll post an in-depth tutorial on Shell programming, so stay tuned. Now let's get right into coding. For today's task, we are focusing on Shell Navigation like I already mentioned before, and I want you to believe you've read the requirements, you've read what you need to do and what you don't need to do. And for those of you who haven't done the quiz, this is just the quiz right here. You can pause the video and go through the answers and just be done with it quickly. I'll just scroll down a little bit, and that's the quiz. So at any point in the video you can just pause it and check the quiz. Now let's get right into the main event of the day, the coding. So the first task, task 0, says access your sandbox, change the working directory to root, and then create an empty file. So cool. Okay, first of all, where are we? My bad. We have to, okay, ls, okay, cd / root clear, then create an empty file. So cool. Sorry, my bad. Create an empty file. So cool. So that would be to create an empty file. The command will be touch so underscore cool. Don't forget to validate your current working directory. Don't forget to display the list of files of your current working directory to validate the creation of the new file. So how do we validate our current working directory? We just say pwd present working directory root, then list of files ls, and here so cool has been created. So let's go to the next one. Change your working directory to root, which we've already done, so we are currently in the root folder. Then copy the school file to temp, the school file, so this one to temp. So that will to copy it will be cp school space / tmp, and that's done. Then validate, and we can do that later. Then task 2, then rename the old file, the old school, to new school in the same directory. Old school, we have a file called old school. Yes, over here, old school. To rename, we do mv old underscore school space new underscore school, enter. Now that's it for task 2. Then task 3 says then move the file not here to temp right school, okay, to tmp right school. So we're moving the file. The same command we used to rename the file is the same command we use to move the file. So that's mv sorry about that, excuse me, mv not here. By the way, we can see not here, it's already here. So not here, not underscore here. We're to move it to / tmp / right school, right underscore school, and that's done for task 4. Then delete the file ready to be removed. So to delete a file ready to be removed, we go rm ready ready underscore to underscore b underscore remove. Then we press enter. Then we have to validate ls. Yes, ready to be removed. It's no longer there. Not here has already been moved to right school, and yeah, we're on the right track. So the fifth one say then create a directory. School is amazing. So to create a directory, I'm sure it's something we're already familiar with. MD mkdir, like mkdir, make directory school underscore is amazing. School is amazing, and we say enter. Then we go to the sixth. Then we validate and make sure it's there. Please don't be like me, always remember to validate. So we can see school is here. So okay, we have one more task which says then remove the directory empty directory, this one. So I would just say okay, the same command. Now since this is an empty directory, we don't have to do much. We just say remove directory. If it was not empty, if it was not an empty directory, then we might have to do maybe rm-r before we remove it because it's not empty. But since it's empty, we just remove directory, then empty directory. Now, mind you, you have to confirm that the directory is not empty. If it's empty, it's a different command. If it's not empty, it's a different command. So we press enter, and when we say ls, as you can see, remove empty directory. Empty directory has been removed. Empty directory is no longer there. And to clear our terminal, we say clear. So now let's check our code. Start new test, check code, start new test. I'm going to start new test for all of them. Start new test. So by the way guys, like I said before, I will be posting an in-depth tutorial for the shell programming language, and the language we'll be focusing on is the bash. So stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, this is the best time to subscribe to the channel so that you get notified whenever I post videos. And also don't forget to comment, like, ask questions. Your feedback is very important. If there's something you want me to improve on, let me know. If there's something you want me to cover, let me know. I will be glad to get right onto it and work on it. So as we can see right here, we're good, I think. Let's see. Yes, we are golden. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Again, if this video has been helpful, don't forget to support your boy. Comment, like, share, smash that notification button to get notified. Again, I know I'm repeating myself, sorry about that. I will be posting the shell video. It has 8 modules. It's going to have quizzes, and we're going to have a project. At the end of the modules, we're going to have 8 different modules where I take you in depth on Shell. Mind you, the goal for this project is not just to pass ALS, it's not just to get 80% or 70% in the second round. The goal is for you to be a software engineer. So if you want to grow with me and become a software engineer, I welcome you on board the Know to Code channel. Let's get on with it. Let's do this and let's win together. I wish you all the best. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day and happy coding.